Confidence is not something we are born with. It's a skill that can be developed and honed. It is like a superpower that empowers us to conquer challenges, chase our dreams, and radiate charisma. 2 convincing reasons for you to build confidence are: 1. With confidence, you become the captain of your own ship, empowered to shape your destiny and create the life you desire. And 2nd, you become more willing to step out of your comfort zone, seize opportunities, and embrace growth, leading to a fulfilling and successful life. It's that magnetic quality that makes people turn their heads and say, "Wow, I wish I had that." Well, guess what? You can have it too. So if you've ever struggled with self-doubt or want to boost your self-assurance, you've come to the right place. Today, I am going to bring 6 points to unleash your inner power, the ultimate guide to building confidence. Point 1. Embrace yourself. Embracing who you are is the first step towards building confidence. Accept yourself, including your quirks and imperfections. Remember, we are all unique in our own ways. Embrace your individuality and let it shine brightly for the world to see. Don't compare yourself to others. Instead, focus on your own journey and celebrate your uniqueness. Point 2. Positive self-talk. The way you speak to yourself has a powerful impact on your confidence. Replace self-doubt with positive self-talk and affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, talents, and past achievements. Be your own cheerleader, encouraging and motivating yourself to reach new heights. Believe in your abilities, and others will believe in you too. Point 3. Face challenges. Building confidence requires stepping out of your comfort zone and facing challenges head-on. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your goals and dreams. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. With each challenge you conquer, you'll realize that you are capable of much more than you ever thought possible. Embrace the discomfort and watch your confidence soar. Point 4. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is a crucial aspect of building confidence. Break down your big dreams into smaller, manageable steps. By setting realistic and attainable goals, you'll experience a sense of progress and accomplishment along the way. Each milestone you achieve will boost your confidence and fuel your determination to keep going. Point 5. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for building and maintaining confidence. Prioritize self-care by engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Make time for hobbies, exercise, and rest. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive people who uplift and encourage you. When you prioritize your well-being, you'll feel more confident and ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Point 6. Celebrate successes. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Take time to reflect on your achievements and give yourself credit for the progress you've made. Celebrating your successes reinforces a positive mindset and boosts your confidence for future endeavors. Remember, every step forward is a testament to your growth and determination. Building confidence is a journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and consistent effort. Remember that confidence is not about being perfect, but about embracing who you are and believing in your abilities. Embrace your uniqueness, face challenges with resilience, and celebrate your progress. You have the power within you to build unshakable confidence and achieve greatness. And thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock your inner strength. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from these confidence-building tips. Together, let's empower ourselves and others to live with confidence and authenticity. Until next time.